Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing Bangtan's Wings Tour goods, and I don't know, maybe this past week has been tough because things happen in life that are totally out of your control, but I hope that maybe this video will cheer you up. I don't know how, but maybe looking at your buyer's face, hopefully, I don't know. So this is the first item that I got. It is Jungkook's image Picket. This is usually not something that I would get because I have no idea what it's for. It's shaped like a fan, but it doesn't work well as a fan because it's so jelly. Look at it, it's so jelly. Yeah, but look at his smile, look at his smile. It's the cutest bunny smile, but I couldn't, so. And the back has like his name, official 86171JK, and then the logos. So Jungkook's Picket. And next we have it says here photo book, but I'm pretty sure I got the face photo collection, so different names. So it has two names. Then it's pretty white and see the Jimmy looking at you. Okay, so I want to go through this like properly, and I don't really have enough memory, so I will do this separately right after this video, so leave that for later. And now this is the, what's it called, the hairband, because it's so pretty. I couldn't not get it. So yeah, let's see how it's attached. Yeah, it's not coming out. Yeah, just the cup came out. Oh yeah, by the way, they're selling this on the shop tomorrow, so hopefully I can like tempt you to buy something. So it's attached like this, cute little wings logo thingy. And then this the earring, wait a second. Ew. I feel like someone opened this box and be like, will you marry me? It's pretty cute, it's pretty cute. Can you see the detailing? It's kind of huge though. To me at least, I have tiny ears. So it's like a normal rubber stopper, and yep, it's smaller than my thumb. And next, let's go with the Picket album. Picket album, and these are like the photos. So I like this whole piano looking thing, but not exactly a piano, but piano looking. They have it everywhere. It's on all the items. So Wings Tour 2017 Live Trilogy Episode 3. The back, or is it the front? Where's the front? Oh, so this is the front. And It literally is a ticket book. you put your tickets in here and then you like write something like 2017 Bangtan Swing Tour. So it's basically like that throughout, and you can oh 这种最怕的 okay then yep, it's all the way throughout, quite many pages. I don't think we have that many tickets, and magnetic closing thing here. And where did I put the oh time. So cute. Okay, this has a really glossy photo finish. Hairband, and the back is just dotted weird looking sugar. That smile though. Chin. Hoppy. I love these cards. I love these cards. It's like album photo cards, but like better because it's like all together. And Jimmy looking so fluffy. Is your day better? Do you feel like 10 times happy already? Look at the context. I like it when they wear contacts. It's like so gorgeous. Jungkook. And we're back to Redmond. So that's the Picket album photos. And what next? Photocards. So I got 4 of this. Yeah, it's a mini photocard version 1. How does this open? Okay. Redmond right at the front. Oh. So this is the back. Is this the group card? Yep. So this is Redmond. He looks like a newspaper boy. It's giving in a newspaper boy feels. Redmond 8 of 8. And sugar. The background looks like the sky or something. Sugar 3 of 8. Jin. It makes them look like they're on the clouds. The background 5 of 8. They have their own circle design. Yeah. That smile. Yep, it's their own design. 3 of 8. Jimin. Looks so fluffy. So fluffy. Jimin. And V. Wait, isn't... Okay, it's not. V. 3 of 8. Cookie. 6 of 8. And the group cup. 8 of 8. And the next one. The way it opens makes me feel a bit like insecure though. Like, but at least it doesn't slide out that easy, so it's not too bad. You have to like, it won't come out, right? You have to slide it out. This is really cool looking though. And Hairband. 8. Sugar. Just chilling. 6 of 8. Jin. 2 of 8. Hobby. 6. I have no idea if there's any repeats because yeah, goldfish memory. 2 of 8. Feet. Why's my hand shaking? To check. 5 of 8. Hey, the sweater is it a sweater? It's really pretty. 1 of 8. Ooh, it's so fluffy. So fluffy. And whatever Jungkook is holding on to, it's fluffy. And this is 5 of 8. And for the next set, I thought I was gonna take it. It wasn't coming up. I started with Redmond. His lips are so red though. 4 of 8. I think this is the same pose as previously but with his eyes closed. 7 of 8. Jin's famous hand kiss. 2. 4 of 8. 2. 8 of 8. Oh, you look so cool here. What? 3 of 8. Almost dropped Jimin. 3. 6. Cookie. And this is 2. Sugar's still sleeping. 3 of 8. And for the last one, oh, hey, the stuff at the back. The sticker is pink. Nobody cares, but my favorite color is pink. I like the sticker. Right, man. This looks familiar. Is it? I have no idea. 8 of 8. Sugar. A 3. Jin. This looks familiar though. I might be totally wrong. J-Hub. Tree. Jimin. Super close up for you. Okay. 7. V. This looks like a model photo, to me at least. And this is 3. I've definitely seen this before. Jungkook 6. And 8 of it is the group card that we got in the first set. They look also happy. Okay, lastly, what do we poster set? Let me clear, make a way for the poster set. Okay, so here, poster set. Ooh. Which is the right way? This way. Okay, they're just the fluffy clouds. Okay, this is a paper material kind of poster. So this is the group. This is so huge, it's awkward. Redmond, you can slant your head, or if you're using your phone, you can slant your phone. The fluffy clouds, so cute. And next we have sugar, a spoonful of sugar, and still in his chair. Jin. This is a very Is this better? No, it's not better. Okay, it's just this awkward angle. Hobby. Jimin. There you go. I don't have enough hands. I'm not made to do this. Very like a boss. And Cookie. He's still on the swing. He was on the swing in the Blood, Sweat, Tears, and now he's still on the swing. Oh, nice shoes. And yep, that's about it. Okay, this is a weird ending. Hey, Cookie says bye.